All right, so this is a little update on the space colonization fire thingy. Took some time in the weekend, and I got like a version of the space colonization function to start working. Here's an example of what it looks like. So the red is just given like a random hash grid in space, random points in space, and then green is, let's say we start here and we extend our shit up in space, right? So let me just play that again. And then right now I just have the fire map to where these things are. And it's like slowly infecting and growing as it takes up the entire space. Um, and I'm excited to maybe play with some controls and stuff, but I think hopefully it can be a little flexible. For example, um, let's change where the fire branch starts. So this time it's starting from in here, going outwards. Maybe set this to 1. I'll start from over here now. But yeah, this is, like I said earlier, this is just like the whole point of this system is that we want it to be procedural and be able to like propagate it from a flexible location, right, that leads to a different place. So I think next I want to play with some custom shapes, maybe masking out or like, I don't know, just choosing where we set this, for example, and then how we can use this to like interact with the world. But then there's also like a speed module. I wonder how fast it can go. Maybe not that fast. Yeah, but it could go. We could have it go slower and slower. That is something we can definitely do here. For example, if it's 0.1, it's really essentially going at a snail's pace. So, like for example, let's go and see you follow the fire as you go, or maybe yeah, you know. Let's see what else can we do. We can also play with the search radius. The search radius being, I think this will largely change the behavior and construction of these like viney trail things. So let's see if we do make this a bit bigger. It's like a balance between these two search radiuses. 10. There we go. See? Then we have like a very, very straight path. Pretty cool. And computationally, ignore this thing. I think this is bugged. But computationally speaking, doesn't look too bad on my end, even though I'm doing like these pretty wide reaching calls. But yeah, pretty neat.